Welcome to AMP3D. Just a quick video on what's happening. Fillamentum got in contact with me and they wanted to send me some material to try. So I thought we'd unbox it and have a little look, see what's in there, and have a look at the colours. We got, where is it? Oh, we got Rapunzel Silver, as you can see there. And for this one we've got Traffic Purple. So let's have a look, shall we? Ooh. Wow. As you can see, that's definitely vacuum sealed. It's like something you see at NASA. Wow. Right, let's crack this open, have a little look. Oh, very nice. Very nice. Wow. As you can see, nice clear spool, so you can see exactly how much you got left. Wow, actually it's quite a nice. Wow, look how nicely rolled that is on there. That looks awesome. It is PLA. Wow, I like that. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Ooh. It's exciting stuff. So yeah, big thank you to Fillamentum for sending me this. Here we go again. As you can see, really vacuum sealed that. Just stab it. Well stabbed. Wow. Very nice. This is Rapunzel Silver. It's PLA again, as you can see. I'll just get a bit closer for you. Let's see if I can just get that. Refocus. Focus. Wow. It's kind of just doesn't want to focus. Okay, fair enough. Anyway, so that's Rapunzel Silver, which is all glittery. So yeah, I do plan on printing some stuff for Fillamentum. They did request one of these, if I could just print one of these things here, which is just a vape stand. You see, I'll just shut that down. Oh, here's the battery. As you can see, just holds a little vape stick. So yeah, I will do a follow-up video of the finished prints, and I'll show you that as well. Excellent.